Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. If you're new here, it's totally free. Subscribe, hit the like button for post notifications. And yeah, so this title of Alcorn Daily, they're saying BlackRock is doubling down on crypto. Let's see what they're talking about on this episode. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for post notifications. If you can support the channel. Get the channel membership because I will be dropping private content. It then it helps out a lot. It helps support the channel. All right, let's get right onto it.
Month. This has been a story that of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies just continue to rise. They are on a tear.
Breaking news, BlackRock doubles down on its crypto involvement.
What we're witnessing in other countries, we're seeing big success in India and Brazil in the digitization of their own currency. We believe the technology of these blockchains are going to become very additive, and then you overlay AI.
I can't believe Larry Fink just did this. And now we know the real reason why Bitcoin is pumping.
Bitcoin is the simplest story in finance, but it is the hardest story for traditional financial market players to understand because it requires them to not overthink it. And I think that's a really, kind of important point, which is Bitcoin is a finite asset. If they increase the money supply, if they drop interest rates, and people around the world realize that they need a store of value, they're going to buy Bitcoin.
I'll be honest with you.
Order for Simone.
Your money, your move. The Venmo debit card.
Knowing what we know now, 80K Bitcoin in November doesn't seem crazy to me at all. Bitcoin looks ready. Like clockwork, Bitcoin is at the beginning of a bull run. We're breaking out of a downtrend channel as buyers exhaust sellers. Macros are incredible. Liquidity is about to flood the market. Most FUD has been wiped out. GOX, government coins, FTX, etc. Once we break all-time highs, retail piles in, and then we officially have a bull run.
If you go back and look at 2020, this is right about the time where we went from, call it $10,000 for 6 months. We just went straight up. I do believe that there is something about around 6 months after the halving, you start to work in that supply change, you get a monetary regime change, and I do think Bitcoin is going to continue to run through the end of the year.
Everybody take 2 seconds, hit the like button, because BlackRock understands what's about to happen. They not only understand it, they're leading it.
I do believe the utilization of digital assets are going to become more and more of a reality worldwide. Conversations we're having with institutions worldwide, conversations about how should they think about digital assets, what type of asset allocation there should be.
And you know what the crazy part is? BlackRock's recent big move into crypto. I'm going to tell you about this in just 1 second. This actually has little to do with Bitcoin. Yes, BlackRock is bullish on Bitcoin. Yes, BlackRock is buying their own Bitcoin ETF. Yes, BlackRock thinks Bitcoin is the future. But what is amazing to me is BlackRock today, and overall more recently, BlackRock is making huge moves into Ethereum and crypto. They all are. I should have realized this the other day when I was interviewing the Bitwise CIO. The Bitwise CIO volunteered this information, and I should have known.
What I'll say about Ethereum is I'm actually quite constructive on Ethereum right now. I think it's a contrarian bet within crypto. Ethereum is like the asset that people love to hate. It's kind of the middle child of crypto. It's neither the OG Bitcoin or the hot dot that is, whether you want to say Solana or Sui or Aptos or Monad or pick your new high performant blockchain. People assume that Ethereum is like old tech and it's struggling over fee compression as assets move on to layer twos and activity moves on to layer twos. But when you step back and look at it, what are the killer apps of crypto outside of Bitcoin? There are things like stable coins, there are things like DeFi, there are things like tokenization. What is the leading blockchain for stablecoins, DeFi, and tokenization? It's still Ethereum. If you're a large traditional financial player looking to build on a public blockchain, what blockchain are you going to choose? Most likely you're going to choose Ethereum. And so I think Ethereum has been sort of passed over this year because it's going through this complex teenage adjustment in its architecture, and it's been missed by the narrative around the excitement for Solana and the excitement for Bitcoin. I think it's set up actually to be a pretty good contrarian play in 2025.
And then most people heard this clip. Most people heard the Bitcoin clip from the BlackRock Q3 earnings call the other day. You heard this.
We believe Bitcoin is an asset class in itself. It is an alternative to other commodities like gold.
But what you didn't hear, what most people didn't hear, was the Ethereum part of this clip from the BlackRock Q3 earnings call. Listen.
The role of Ethereum as a blockchain can grow dramatically. So if we can create more acceptability, more transparency, more analytics related to these assets, then it will be expanded. But I truly don't believe it's a function of regulation, of more regulation, less regulation. I think it's a function of liquidity, transparency, and then through that process, no different than when years ago when we started the mortgage market, years ago when the high yield market occurred, started off very slow, but it built as we built better analytics and data, and then through better analytics and data, more acceptance and a broadening of the market. And I truly believe we will see a broadening of the market of these digital assets.
Sick of all the ads, like this one? Just head to adskiller.com. Click on Activate Now. Add AdsKiller to your browser. Confirm. Done. No more ads.
All right. Oh no, what just happened here?
Have you ever wondered how the world's currencies are traded? The foreign exchange market, also known as the Forex market, is the largest and most liquid.
Take a look at the price of Bitcoin.
Okay, guys, that concludes that episode of Crypto Nation React. Sorry about that. But yeah, guys, the market is definitely going to get ready to go parabolic pretty soon. And let me see here. Take a look at what's Bitcoin doing right now. Right now, we got Bitcoin at Ethereum is over 2,600, and Bitcoin is just holding over 68K. But like I said, Bitcoin is finding it found new higher lows. Every time it do get rejected, close to 69K, we do pull back. But if it actually finds a new higher low, it look like we got a new higher low just at around 68K, at the bottom of 68K. Now, we could dip back down to 67. That's a real possibility. But, we still got the new higher low. So that's a good sign. The market, Bitcoin is starting to look very, very bullish. It's only going to be a matter of time before it hits 70K. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.